Do you know that a country declared war on birds and they lost? In 1932, Australia faced an unusual problem. Thousands of emus, large, flightless birds, began invading farmlands in Western Australia. They destroyed crops, broke fences, and they even threatened farmers' livelihoods. The government decided to take action. They sent soldiers armed with machine guns. What followed became known as the Emu War. At first, it seemed simple, but emus were fast. They moved in scattered groups and they could outrun vehicles across rough terrains. Soldiers opened fire and missed. Again and again, guns jammed, birds escaped, operation failed. After weeks of effort and thousands of rounds of ammunition, emus were still winning. The military eventually withdrew. Birds remained. The end, Australia had to admit defeat. Sometimes history isn't just strange, it is unbelievable. Do you think modern technology would win this war today? Let's hear you in the comment section. Follow for more unbelievable moments from history.